New data tonight shows Toronto community housing evictions are at a 10-year high.
Some tenants being forced out and supporters out calling for greater leniency to avoid even worse outcomes. CTV's Beth Macdonell has the details.
Shadman Rahman has lived in his Toronto community housing unit for more than 15 years. First with his parents and siblings, now his own family. He lives with symptoms of multiple mental health disorders, is on ODSP, and is facing eviction.
I have a 1-year-old infant child. It's not fair that my child has to face imminent eviction.
Rahman broke the rules of his tenancy. On a trip to get married, he says he allowed refugees needing a place to stay in his unit. He says they're gone now after refusing to leave for 2 years.
We're not ready to live on the streets, especially we just need stable housing.
Although evictions at TCH remain under 1%, they have reached a 10-year high in the city, 246 in 2015. Then, for those behind in paying, there was a moratorium during COVID. The latest data shows between January and October 2025, there were 391 evictions. Reem Saad and her mother also have serious medical issues and were evicted from their TCH unit over broken rules. Saad says it stems from 2 incidents, one violent involving her mother's guest and another that TCH claims was a guest and caused extensive damage to the building.
It was not our fault. If we said we're not going to allow this visitor to come, what are we going to do? We said, no, you're not allowed in. Thank God that everybody's taking us in, family, friends. We have a big support, but how long do we really expect them to really take us?
But despite tenants breaking the rules, some housing advocates argue eviction is still not the answer and will make homelessness worse.
It's a contradiction. We're not solving the problem.
While lead Kogali Ali says he's been referred to 10 eviction cases this year from around the city, he says tenants need better community and legal support to prevent losing their homes in the first place. And if the numbers continue to increase, be prepared.
We have more deaths. We will be impacted by the challenges that come with homelessness, specifically when it comes to abuse of drugs, when it comes to crime.
Toronto Community Housing Corporation says the increase in evictions stems from the backlog of cases during the pandemic, and its goal is always to keep people housed.
We have a responsibility to ensure our communities are safe and that all tenants are able to live comfortably in their homes. And when the actions of a tenant or their guests impact this, TCHC has to act.
It says staff take a lot of care to avoid evictions. It says rules need to be applied consistently to maintain safety. And while it can't speak to specific cases, it says evictions are a tool of last resort. Beth Macdonell, CTV News.